Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer, your daily source for the hottest classic motorcycles for sale across America. Let's dive straight into today's vintage lineup. One, 1969 Triumph Bonneville, $12,500, Northport, Florida. We begin with one of the most iconic British twins ever built, the 1969 Triumph Bonneville. This example has been beautifully restored and stands as the kind of bike collectors love, not just visually striking, but also properly sorted and ready to ride. The seller notes that the bike needs absolutely nothing beyond a rider who understands how to kickstart a classic Triumph. It's a one-kick machine once you know the rhythm, which is exactly what Triumph fans expect from a well-set twin. Although the color isn't the correct 1969 paint and the stainless fenders are not factory spec, the restoration quality shines through. If originality matters, the seller even offers restoration work and can bring it back to a period-correct finish. This is a titled, numbers-correct bike, one that would make a standout centerpiece in any British motorcycle collection. 2. 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $3,750, Clermont, Florida. Next up, a classic that helped redefine long-distance touring, the 1977 Honda GL1000 Goldwing. This early-era wing has over $1,000 in recent service, including fresh tires and fully functioning electrics. The Crom could benefit from cosmetic attention, but mechanically, the bike is said to be solid with everything working as it should. These early GL1000s are gaining respect in the collector market for their smooth, flat-four engines, immense reliability, and classic 1970s touring aesthetics. The seller holds the title and prefers serious buyers only, making this a well-priced entry point for anyone wanting a historic Goldwing that's ready to ride and preserve. Number 3, 1955 BMW R26, $4,500, Norcross, Georgia. Here's a true vintage single-cylinder BMW, the 1955 R26, a model known for its elegant simplicity and legendary German engineering. This bike has 23,000 miles and is mostly complete. It currently starts and runs, but it does need a new wiring harness, making it an ideal candidate for someone who enjoys restoration projects. With its distinctive Earl's fork, upright stance, and thumping single, the R26 is a piece of Bavarian history that's becoming rarer each year. Offered as is with Georgia registration, this one has strong potential to become a fully restored collector's grade machine. 4. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000 Z1 Classic, $6,500, Riverview, Florida. For Japanese muscle bike enthusiasts, this 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000 Z1 Classic is a special find. This one shows only 9,200 original miles and comes equipped with both the current carburetor setup and the original factory fuel injection system, plus a full spare FI setup for parts. Stored in climate-controlled conditions, the bike recently received a new battery and fired right up with fresh fuel. The Z1 platform remains legendary among collectors, prized for its rugged engine, unmistakable styling, and the raw power that defined Kawasaki's golden era. At this price and with this level of originality, it's a serious candidate for investors and riders alike. Number 5. 1947 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead, $39,000, Leesburg, Florida. Now we move into heavyweight American history. A 1947 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead, one of the most desirable Harley models ever built. This example features a newly rebuilt motor and proper numbers, making it especially appealing to collectors who value authenticity. It's described as a sweet riding bike, and part of a larger collection the seller is thinning out. The Knucklehead market continues to rise steadily, and post-war 47 models are among the most sought after. The seller is open to trades, including classic cars, hot rods, and other vintage bikes. An opportunity for serious collectors to make a big move. Six, 1982 Suzuki Katana 1000, $9,200, Hendersonville, Tennessee. Few motorcycles changed the look of performance machines like the 1982 Suzuki Katana 1000, and here's a well-kept example from a long-term owner. At 31,800 miles, the bike shows that it's been ridden and loved, not abandoned. Recent service includes valve adjustments, carb cleaning, fresh oil, and a DynoJet kit paired with a Yoshimura pipe, giving it that signature Katana growl. This bike represents one of the most important styling revolutions in motorcycle history, blending sharp lines, aggressive fairings, and unmistakable early 80s energy. With a clear title and strong running condition, it's a terrific example of a rising collectible. Number 7. 1967 Moto Guzzi Stornello, $4,500, Mountain View, Arkansas. Here's a charming Italian lightweight, the Moto Guzzi Stornello Sport 125, a four-stroke single that helped define Guzzi's small displacement lineup in the 1960s. This example starts, runs, and carries the classic European styling these machines are loved for: slim tank, minimal frame, and a distinctive high-revving single. A new battery is on the way, and overall condition is described as good. These Stornellos aren't common in the US, making this a great find for collectors who appreciate rare Italian metal. 8. 1986 Yamaha Radian YX600, $1,795, Jacksonville, Florida. Affordable, reliable, and surprisingly quick, the 1986 Yamaha Radian is one of the most underrated UJM-style bikes from the 1980s. This one comes with only 14,505 miles and a long list of fresh maintenance: new battery, new plugs, rebuilt carbs, rebuilt calipers, new fluids, and more. It's a clean-titled turnkey rider with a reputation for fun power delivery and everyday usability. For under $2,000, it's one of the best value classics on the market right now. Nine. 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket, $3,400, Port St. Lucie, Florida. Next is a 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket, a rare British twin that's been displayed indoors for years. It needs a restoration, but it's complete, and the engine reportedly ran before the seller drained the fluids. This is exactly the kind of bike collectors hunt for: untouched, numbers matching, and ready for a proper rebuild. It includes a Florida title and offers the perfect foundation for someone wanting to bring a mid-60s BSA back to life. 10. 1975 Husqvarna 360, $4,500, Royal Palm Beach, Florida. Finally, we have a legendary Swedish off-roader, the 1975 Husqvarna 360, a true vintage MX machine. This bike has served as a collector's display piece and has not been started recently. With its steel frame, aluminum tank, and raw two-stroke punch, the 360 remains one of the most iconic Husqvarna models of the era. It's ideal for restoration, vintage racing, or display. Sold with a bill of sale only, common for machines of this age. For fans of old-school motocross, this is a terrific opportunity. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Make sure to subscribe for next daily's best classic motorcycle deals across America.